Hi guys, how are you doing today? We are going to get right into it with the Boxycharm premium unboxing for this month. I am still getting settled into my new place and things are just hectic right now. I'm going to put the pricing up on the screen. And I'm not going to lie, I already peeked in here, but let's go ahead and get started. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. It has this paper packaging and let's get into it. So first off, here's the card. Super Bloom. Pretty basic theme this month, but still beautiful nevertheless. And so first off, we have this LaRousse brush set. So this is a 3-piece contour brush set with a limited edition pouch worth $50. So yeah, look at the pouch. Looks really cheapy, dollar store-y. I honestly probably won't even use this. I'll probably give it to my daughter. And then the brushes, they feel nice. I definitely could see myself using all of these, so that's good. This one I would probably use as a highlight brush or to set my under eyes with powder. And then this one I would probably use for cream contour or maybe even cream blush. I don't know. I honestly don't use brushes like this, but I'd be open to trying it. But I like it. And then this last one I'm going to use for nose contour. I think it'll be perfect to just hold and blend that line as straight as I can. I'm still not very good at nose contouring. So yeah, $50 brushes. Okay. So next, I know this was my choice item for sure. I'm so excited to have this palette. I got a little quad in Ipsy, I believe, from them, and it was such good quality. Love the color when you open that up. That's nice. So this palette is worth $30. It has 18 shades and it's infused with Mexican blue agave, whatever that means. But look at these colors, y'all. And then look how cool the mirror comes off and it has this beautiful design on the back, which I love. Super cute. And then there's like a message inside, which I'm gonna be honest, I did not read. I already did swatch this whole palette. I'm putting that up now, but they just feel so buttery and good, and I cannot wait to make some looks with this. So definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram, on TikTok. I might do a tutorial for YouTube if you guys want, or if I just manage to make some time, but I'm obsessed, and this is definitely going to be one of my new favorites. I can already tell. Okay, so next we got these Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. These are worth $21, and I think you get 20 wipes, so that is like insane to me. But that aside, the dry ones foam up once you activate them with water, and the wet ones are obviously just makeup removing. And I'm not mad to have these. The packaging is adorable. I mean, that dry wet thing, like how freaking cool is that? And I don't know. We'll see how long it takes me to use these up, because honestly I really don't use wipes too much. Alrighty, next we got the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial. I think I chose this as well. This is worth $50. And I'm really excited to try this. I'm kind of bummed I didn't try it tonight. But it says, a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky, soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking. Oh, that sounds good. And then it's infused with superfoods like camu camu, banana flour, cacao nib extract, and blah, 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 blah. But, oh my god, it smells like fruity. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know if it's a fragrance or not, but it definitely has a scent. So if you don't like scent, definitely would not recommend. And then next we got some more skincare. This is the, oh my god, where'd it go? Avrani Balance Restoring Serum, worth $60. Jesus freaking Christ. So it's like a toning serum, and the packaging definitely screams toner to me. So there's also tea tree oil, cucumber extract, and chamomile flowers, and witch hazel. Made without mineral oil, paraben, sulfates, irritants, synthetic fragrances, or animal cruelty. That's always good. And this is also a new brand to Boxycharm. I'm excited to try this. Hoping it won't irritate my skin. Love the packaging. It feels super luxe. Alrighty, next we got KVD, which I'm actually pretty excited about because I actually really like KVD products. And I do have a couple bullets that look like this. I don't know if it's the same formula or not, but this is the shade The Female Gaze, and this is worth $22. And I love these because they're like hydrating at the same time. Yep, see, it even says it here. And then it's like a shiny finish, which is really nice. And oh, and the case is made with 80% post-consumer recycled materials, so that's cool. But anyways, I love this shade. I think it's gonna look so freaking schmexy with this palette. Like, ugh. Anyways, so here is everything I got. What do you guys think? It's pretty skincare heavy, but I am like excited about the makeup that I did get, and I am going to use everything. So I mean, you know, that's pretty good, right? And then let me calculate the total value right quick. So in total, I got a $233 value, which is kind of crazy when you're like looking at it all set up. But nevertheless, I'm excited. I'm going to use everything, so that's great. Let me know if you want some video or content or any kind of tutorials on any of these products, or even just my updated thoughts. And happy you're here. Subscribe. Hope to see you next time. And be sure to check out my website and use code Facebook for money off your order. That's just the first code I could think of. I'm sorry. Have a great day. Bye.